Okay, so here's my pretty cool chain gun. Like the title says, it kind of stinks, but it's my first one. I'm just hoping that after I shoot, it will destroy this wall of Jenga blocks, which were carefully placed, and it's a relatively strong wall. I mean, you know, I could punch it and knock it over, but that's not what I'm going to do. So let's start with loading the gun and fixing whatever breaks after every 5 seconds. Okay, so now I can tell you that this is 18 rubber bands on here, all ready to break loose without me even pulling the trigger, probably. I mean, I don't know. But anyway, well, they have been while I've been reloading, and I want to tell you that 20 arrows takes like 30 minutes to load on. So now I'm gonna shoot the wall. Takes 5 minutes to shoot and 30 to reload. Anyway, that's it. So, the good things about my pretty terrible gatling gun is that it actually shoots arrows occasionally. The bad things are everything besides the fact that it shoots arrows.